Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be really exciting, especially if you are a watch lover. Today I'm going to unbox my new Daniel Wellington watch, and with that I have some news on their offers and sales as well. So if you're a watch lover and if you love Daniel Wellington, probably this is the video for you. So let's quickly get started. So one thing about Daniel Wellington, I absolutely love this brand for watches. I've been using their watches since last, I believe, 2.5 years now, and it has served me so well. The durability of the watch and how minimal yet how sophisticated it looks is one thing that I absolutely die for. Daniel Wellington watches and accessories goes well with everything that you wear. Indian, Western, formal, casual, you want to dress up for a party, you want to dress up casually for college or for going out with your girls. You just wear anything, mix and match, style their pieces, and you're ready for the day. With their minimal yet so sophisticated designs, it just feels like you have put in so much of an effort when in fact you've just, mixed and matched. That's it. So guys, today's video is going to be about this amazing watch from Daniel Wellington. I had my eyes on this for a really long time because it is such a beautiful looking watch, and if you've been watching my channel, I have done a few unboxing videos of Daniel Wellington watches, so I'll leave the link of the playlist over here as an iCard, because those watches and accessories are still available on their website, just in case if you feel like trying out any other watch and you want a review of that particular watch, you can hop on over to the playlist, find out your favorite watch, watch the video, and then decide if you want to go ahead with the watch or not. Today's video, my dear friends, is going to be about this watch, which is Daniel Wellington's iconic link Lumine watch. Lumine or Lumine, as you want to or you wish to pronounce it. So the watch actually comes in a matte black box like this one, which has a black lettering over here, Daniel Wellington. When I remove this box, there is the actual box which actually holds the watch, and this has a lettering of golden Daniel Wellington over here. This is actually a very beautiful box. I always store my boxes to keep my jewelry or to keep my actual watch. Now when I open this box, here we have this beautiful watch. This is the link that have been removed from this particular strap to fit my wrists. Now I have separate gold watch, I have separate rose gold watch, I have separate silver watch, but I never had a two-toned watch, and this is just so perfect. This is rose gold with beautiful silver, and it is two-toned, so it goes with everything that I wear. So actually that's what drew me towards this watch. Also because my previous watch, my iconic link watch, that didn't have the Swarovski crystals. It has some beautiful shiny crystals over here that actually just catches your attention. It's just so shiny and sparkly and beautiful. So it comes in a few dial sizes. The one that I've gone for is a 32 mm dial size watch. The dial is the circular part, so this is 32 mm. This is a medium-sized dial, and this is the kind of dial that I actually really like. The strap width, or the width of the strap, is 14 mm, and the dial has beautiful glistening crystals, which I absolutely love. This is such a nice watch for every occasion that you'll be amazed that you can actually style it in a million different ways and you will not go wrong with this. I'm just trying to remove the tag so that I can wear it and show you guys as to how it looks. The tag is removed, guys. I've not even set the time, so I'm going to set the time later on. It has a beautiful luminous silhouette as well. It has a two-toned effect which is very vibrant and very contrasting, silver with rose gold, so it goes with everything. I would highly recommend you guys investing in a watch like this one, because this watch will really kind of make your life very easy. Now this is the watch as it looks. I love the strap part. I love how glistening and polished and beautiful it is. This is what it looks like. Now I have a couple of accessory pieces from them that I got during my previous purchases. I'm just going to show you that as to how I would like to style this watch. So I have this really beautiful Daniel Wellington bracelet, which is the thin bracelet. I will leave the name of this particular bracelet on the screen, and the next one that I have is this one. This is a wider bracelet, which is a beautiful combination of white and rose gold. So these are the two bracelets that I have, and next up I also have one of their really beautiful necklaces. So this is the necklace. So guys, this is how pretty this beautiful necklace actually looks. This is the watch. I'm going to wear this thin bracelet on top of this. You can wear it or style it just as per you like, and I'm just going to wear it, and it looks super classy. You can also wear multiple bracelets. So I'm going to wear both my bracelets, and this is how it looks. It's beautiful. I'm wearing a regular earring with this one, but you can also buy some really cool, amazing looking, you know, simple, minimalistic, but at the same time very elegant pieces for your ears. So that will just complete the look. So today's video, guys, was not just about unboxing this beautiful, iconic Link Lumine watch. I also wanted to inform you that Daniel Wellington is having their end of season sale, where if you buy more, you will save more. That is so amazing. Why? Because you can enjoy up to 25% off on your purchase of Daniel Wellington ka products. Plus, guys, you can avail 15% ka additional discount if you use my coupon code, which is flashing on the screen for you. So my dear lovely friends, make use of this amazing end of season sale, where if you shop more, you're going to save more. I'm also going to leave the coupon code in the description box below, along with the link of all of these products that I have on right now. And trust me, guys, Daniel Wellington products are amazing. I'm so happy since the time I got this Lumine watch. It is amazing. This is my current favorite, and I'm sure that this is going to be my favorite for a really long time, because this is a very convenient watch. Not only does this look very stylish, expensive and chic, but because it is so easy to manage, I can just literally throw this on even on a pajama, and this is going to just jazz up the outfit like nobody's business. So I'll leave the link of this as well in the description box below. So go ahead, buy yourself some timeless, amazing pieces for yourself, for your loved ones, and enjoy this end of season sale on Daniel Wellington. I really hope that you guys like this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I really hope more than anything else you actually found this video useful. And yes, let me know in the comment section below which is your favorite thing from Daniel Wellington. Just link that product in the comment section below. I would definitely try and give it a go. So thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself, and I love you all so much. Bye guys. Bye.